Ad fatigue is a common challenge. It happens when your audience sees your ads too often. They become overexposed to the same message. Think about seeing the same TV commercial repeatedly. Eventually, you tune it out. Or you might even start to dislike the brand. This same thing happens with digital ads. Ignoring ad fatigue is costly. Engagement rates start to plummet. Your click-through rates will drop. People might even start hiding your ads or report them as spam. This tells ad platforms your content isn't relevant. Your ad quality scores can suffer, making your ads less visible. The most painful effect of ad fatigue is on your return on investment. You are spending your hard-earned money on these ads, but if people are ignoring them, that money is wasted. Your cost per acquisition might increase. You're paying more for fewer results. This makes your entire marketing budget less efficient. Let's dive into how you can revamp your approach. One of the simplest ways to fight ad fatigue is to rotate ad creatives. Don't let your audience see the exact same image or video for weeks. Fresh visuals and copy can recapture attention. It signals something new and potentially interesting. Think of it like changing the window display in a store. It draws people in again. Regularly updating your creatives is essential. This keeps your brand from becoming stale. How often should you swap out your creatives? There's no magic number. Monitor your ad frequency. If frequency is high and engagement is dropping, it's time for a change. A/B test different images, headlines, and calls to action. Let the data guide your rotation schedule. Small changes can make a big difference. Always be testing and learning. Beyond just changing visuals, craft compelling stories. People connect with stories on an emotional level. A good story is far more memorable than a list of product features. Storytelling can transform a simple ad into an experience. Emotional connections are powerful in marketing. Make your ads worth watching, not just seeing. Personalization is a game changer in digital advertising. Generic ads are easy to ignore, but ads that speak directly to a user's interests are different. Use the data you have about your audience. This could be their browsing history or past purchases. Show them products they've viewed before or recommend items related to their interests. Personalized ads feel less intrusive. They feel more like helpful suggestions. When ads are relevant, ad fatigue is less of an issue. Users are more likely to pay attention. They might even appreciate the tailored content. This leads to higher engagement rates. Click-throughs and conversions can improve dramatically. Personalization shows you understand your customer. It makes them feel valued, not just targeted. Timing your ad delivery is also incredibly important. You want to reach your audience when they are most receptive. Analyze your campaign data to find these peak times. Strategic timing maximizes your ad's visibility. Combine personalization with strategic timing for maximum effect. This approach significantly reduces the risk of ad fatigue. Section 4. Mix it up. Diverse ad formats and the voice of your customer. Don't get stuck in a rut with your ad formats. If you're only using static image ads, you're missing out. Try video ads to tell more engaging stories. Use carousel ads to showcase multiple products or features. Interactive ads like polls or quizzes can boost engagement. Even simple animated GIFs can add a touch of novelty. Different ad formats appeal to different user preferences. Using a variety of formats keeps your campaign feeling fresh. Leverage the power of user-generated content, or UGC. UGC is content created by your actual customers. This could be photos of them using your product or maybe reviews or testimonials. UGC is incredibly authentic. It builds trust and social proof like nothing else. Let your happy customers do some of the talking. Section 5. New frontiers and quick wins. Expanding reach and sparking action. Don't put all your advertising eggs in one basket. Explore new advertising platforms regularly. The digital landscape is always evolving. New social media platforms gain traction, and different ad networks emerge. If your audience is there, you should consider being there too. Testing new platforms can help you find untapped potential. It diversifies your reach and reduces reliance on just one or two channels. New platforms often mean reaching fresh eyes. This inherently combats ad fatigue. You're introducing your message to a new segment of your audience. Create a sense of urgency with limited time offers. Phrases like "offer ends soon" or "limited stock available" motivate action. People don't want to miss out on a good deal. This can jolt users out of passive ad consumption and encourage them to click and convert now. Limited time offers can boost short-term results. Remember that beating ad fatigue is an ongoing process. Continuously adapt your strategies. Rely on data and feedback to make informed decisions. Stay agile and be willing to experiment.